How to redeem digital codes on Amazon Mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem your digital codes on Amazon app. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Amazon app on my phone. Now when I'm on my Amazon app and I have logged into my account, then I will need to click right here. After that, we will need to click where it says account. You will need to click where it says your purchase preferences. Now when you're in here, then you will need to click where it says transactions. Here, click on View your gift card balance and activity. You will now be taken to this page where you will be able to see your gift card balance. You will need to click where it says Redeem another gift card. You will then be taken to this page. In here, you will be able to write the gift card code, and then to redeem it, just click on Apply your balance. And just like that, you now know how to redeem digital codes on Amazon mobile app. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.